Lesson 2, Chapter 2, English Prose. A Fellow Traveler, written by A.G. Gardiner. First we understood this lesson in Hindi, okay? First we understand this lesson in Hindi. इस लेसन में जो राइटर है वो अपने एक यात्रा का अनुभव एक्सपीरियंस बताते हुए कहा है कि रेल के डिब्बे भी में नितांत अकेले यात्रा करना कितना सुखदायी होता है। वो अपना एक एक्सपीरियंस बता रहा है राइटर कि रेल के डिब्बे में नितांत अकेले यात्रा करना कितना सुखदायी होता है। उस रात्रि को उसके डिब्बे में एक भी यात्री नहीं था जिस समय वह यात्रा कर रहा था। केवल एक मच्छर था जो उसका सहयात्री था, फेलो ट्रेवलर था, बना हुआ था। तो मच्छर ने उसे बहुत परेशान किया और लेखक को यह आभास करा दिया कि मनुष्य कभी भी किसी भी दशा में कीड़े मकोड़े से अधिक श्रेष्ठ नहीं है। दोनों ही इस दुनिया में सहयात्री हैं और दोनों का ही भविष्य अनिश्चित है। तो इस लेसन में इसके जो मेन पॉइंट्स हैं कि लेखक एक साधारण रेलगाड़ी में यात्रा कर रहा था। दूसरा पॉइंट ये बनेगा कि वह रेलगाड़ी के एक डिब्बे में अकेला था। तीसरा पॉइंट ये बनेगा कि उसने अकेले होने पर स्वतंत्रता की सुखद अनुभूति की। अगला पॉइंट होगा उसी यात्रा के दौरान उसे एक सहयात्री का आभास हुआ जो एक मच्छर था। उसने मच्छर को मारने का अथक प्रयास किया किंतु निष्फल रहा। बहुत मारने का प्रयास किया लेकिन वो सफल नहीं हुआ। अंत में उसे निस्सहाय होकर दया एवं सहानुभूति की भावना से उससे समझौता करने का मन बना लिया। अंत में लेखक एक स्टेशन पर गाड़ी से उतर जाता है किंतु सहयात्री लैंप के पास फड़फड़ाता रहता है। ये हिंदी में इंट्रोडक्शन था। अब इसको इंग्लिश में समझते हैं। फर्स्ट वी नो दैट जर्नी ऑफ द ऑथर, how he was doing journey. In this essay, the author described the personal experience of the journey by train. One night, he was traveling in a passenger train. The speed of the train was very slow. It stopped at every station on both the sides. The author felt that his journey would never end. In the beginning, the compartment was full. Of many passengers. When the train moved out of London, all the passengers had left except the author. So he was all alone in the compartment. Then we know sense of freedom. The author felt that his loneliness in the compartment has gave him freedom to do anything of his liking. He could sing and dance in the way he liked. He could talk to himself very loudly as there was none of to check him. He could fight with an imaginary enemy without the fear because there was no possibility of any attack in return. He could amuse himself by singing or dancing or playing marbles on the floor. He had full freedom to open or shut the windows of the compartment. He could also stand on head or sit or lie anywhere on the cushion. Nobody was there to prevent him from doing any such things. Okay, and next point, presence of a mosquito. Presence of mosquito means that the writer thought of so many things but did nothing. When he was all alone, he stopped reading the newspaper He looked out of the window, lit a cigarette, sat down and started reading again. At this time, the presence of mosquito came to his notice. His notice, the mosquito came and sat on his nose. The author flicked it off. It flew and tore the compartment all around. All around, it came back and beat at the writer's neck. Fourth point, writer's role as a judge. Writer's roles as a judge, मतलब जज की तरह वो बिहेव करने लगता है राइटर. The mosquito disturbed the writer again and again, so the writer became angry. He thought over the behavior and felt that it was guilty. It wandered here and there. It was traveling without a ticket and had no meat coupon. So the writer felt that it should be sentenced to death. He tried to kill it by giving a swift blow with his right hand, but the mosquito was tactful enough and protected itself from the blow. The writer was angry, so he made many attempts to kill it but could not succeed. And the end of the journey, the writer was lost the thoughts about the common features of his life and the life of the insect. In the meantime, the writer heard the familiar voice of the porter who gave hint to the author that it was his station. When he got down from the train and his station, he saw that his fellow traveler was dancing round the lamp. Okay.